Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are about to implement Facebook banner ad inside our Compose project. So first thing first, if you find this video useful, do hit that like button, and if you find this type of videos useful, do subscribe for further videos. And also there are AdMob implementation and yes, AdMob. So you can check out our channel for more videos. Okay, so before we start this video, in this video I'll be explaining every code that I have implemented, and also I have covered some error. You'll if you're implementing this ad for the first time, you'll encounter many error and bugs. So I'll be explaining all the errors as well as the how to fix all the errors. So let's start. So first, we have this dependency. This is the Facebook dependencies we have to add for our Facebook ads, and this is the dependency version I'm using 6.17.0. Yeah, this is it. And after we add this dependency here, we have to add this in our app level Gradle file over here. And after this, we need to add some permission, and we add a permission in Android manifest file. And here are two permissions I have added. One is for internet, and this ad ID is for when you plan to publish your app in Play Store. So this is it. And after this, we will go to our main activity, and here's nothing here. This is just a toolbar. This is the toolbar. Nothing does here, and this is the ad, and this is the button. This all is here. And here's a variable I have added. It's force banner. This is just an bug fix, or error fix. I have implemented myself, so I'll be explaining this later. For now, let's see next. This is a okay, and also I have put this initialized. I have initialized this ad inside a launch effect. And this force banner I'll be explaining when I'll be explaining all the bug fix I have. What's this for? Okay, so this meta banner compose, I have taken this context, and as this ad ID also, and this ad size. And ad size, there are different sizes like rectangle, and triangle size, and there are other size. You can check it out. Yes, this banner height and banner height 50, banner height 90. These are all different sizes. You can try it out yourself, different sizes. And this elevated cart. So this is the cart. You can see this. There's a shadow added here, underline. So for this look, I have added this card, and inside this card, I have added the banner ad. So here in this I have taken this context and passed it here. Context, ad ID, and ad size. And then inside a remember function, I've initialized ad view. And then with the help of Android View Compose, I have displayed the ad. And also here's the launch effect. Here I have requested to load an ad, and this is build load config with this the ad listener. And with this listener, there's a callback listener for error on load and on clicked. This is the to add listener. We have to do it this way. And also there's a plain load ad. If you don't need ad listener to listen the callbacks and all, you can simply use adview.load ad, and then the ad can be loaded this way. Let me run it for you. Okay, here it is done, and now you can see there's no ad. But if I press this ad, here it is. There's the ad, and this clicking and all, I'll be explaining this in the bug fix. Okay, so now as you can see, there's the ad, and it's displayed. Nothing's wrong. Now coming to the problems we encounter. So first problem we'll be encountering is this line is not added by default, so I have added this afterwards. So if we don't have this ad, let's synchronize our project, and then it's taking a while. Okay, now it's done. Now if we compile and just see the belt here, and you will notice some error. Okay, so there will be error. It's taking time. Let me explain something that this error will be fixed with there's some duplicate, I don't know, I don't remember exactly, but as we remove this line, yeah, this duplicate class appears. If you encounter this error, just remember that this line has to be added here. Okay, and as you when you add this line, this error will be fixed. So this is here, and then comes that if you have implemented add more banner ad, there you will notice that this initialization is not like, it's not mandatory. If you don't initialize this add more ad, it gets initializes itself. But in case of Facebook ad, you have to initialize this, and I have created this function. I have passed this context here, and in this context I have taken this test mode. And what this test mode does is here's I have to store this test mode, and then I have checked that if it's not initialized, I have checking it here, it's not initialized, then ad network will initialize, and then ad setting I have add this test mode here. And what is this? What this test mode does is, if we don't add this test mode, so there and if you run this app here, then you'll notice that you get an error. Wait a second. Yeah, you get an error of this no fail. Means no, you will not receive any ad in the your debug build. So to fix this error and get ads while debugging, in developing phase, so you need this test mode. So this is here, and after things, last thing, as you have noticed that I have created this forced banner ad. So what is this exactly? So this is just a integer I have stored in forced banner, and this key section, this key function, what this does, it just as this, if this value changes any time in a compose, then it forces this section to recompose again. So what happens if we don't use this force add? I don't know, it's I didn't find anything but on the internet, but maybe there is, but I could not find. So what happens is there is a blank ad, like it happens that it remains blank. So what I'm doing is, I have on this button click, I have changed its value here. I'm incrementing by 1, so it recomposes again. So if it doesn't appear, if I click this button over, okay, something's wrong. Okay, it's appearing, but means if it appears, then that's fine, and then it doesn't appear, then I have used this thing, just like if it doesn't appear by itself. I have also added it here in the launch effect, so it forces it to appear again. So this is it, friends. These are the problem you may encounter. One is you have to add this line in your Gradle properties, and another is initialize your ad, this initialization. Without this, you'll get an error of no fill. Here it is. You'll get this error. Yeah, this is called no fill error. So you definitely need to add this settings, add settings.test, and test mode should be boolean. In debug mode, you have to set this test mode to on, and if in production, you can remove this ad or set this test ad to false to get real ads. So this is it, friends. If you find this video useful, do like, and if you have any doubt or I could not explain anything properly, so do ask me in the comment section. I'll try to explain it a little bit further, and this is it. Thank you.